Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best toy for 6-year-old boys. Here are the top 3 toys for 6-year-old boys that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Yeebay Shooting Game Toy. This target gun toy comes with air blasters, soft foam balls and one navy-themed standing shooting target, which is ideal for indoor and outdoor play. Each air-powered gun can hold up to 12 foam balls, which are fired into different scoring pockets to gain as many points as possible. It requires no batteries to operate, and the sponge balls used as ammunition are low in weight and ensures no lethal damage to eyes. This is a perfect gift for kids on occasions like New Year's Eve, birthdays and Thanksgiving. It is made from non-toxic, high-quality ABS material which are durable and long-lasting that can withstand air impulse without falling apart. At number 2. Roko Toys for Costume Parties. It consists of high-quality materials featuring satin caps with vibrant colors and kids-friendly fabric that resists skin irritations and itches. They can be comfortably worn for long periods of time and remain a popular choice for boys, imitating their favorite superheroes with masks and capes. It can be worn over pajamas, regular shirts and clothing for various occasions including birthdays, Christmas, Halloween and others. The superhero-oriented fabric entails Velcro neck fastener that makes it a comfortable wear for long periods of time. The cape comes with a mask which is made from high-quality felt and are adjustable for different head sizes for kids. At number 1. National Geographic Glowing Marble Run. This construction set is designed to fit together with 5 sturdy bases, 15 exciting action pieces and 45 clear smooth run track pieces. This marble run kit includes 6 different colors of glow that shine bright as they zigzag down the whole structure. Its features include UV light to recharge the marbles and a storage bag and marble pouch which makes it easy to store the construction pieces. This structure provides learning capabilities including motion, aerodynamics, construction basics and experimentation. It contains small parts and is not suitable for children under 3 years as it can induce choking and breathing issues. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.